Maps can contain multiple map layers. To add new layers such as CAD drawings, or drone maps, press the green button, labeled Map Layer, at the top of the project page. This will open a new window. You can upload different file types, such as georeferenced maps, images, and PDF files. First, name your map layer, then add a file. Uploading a file might take a while, as it is being processed. Once done, you will see a blue Add button. Press it to advance to the next step. In some cases, when the files take longer to process, you might return to the project overview screen. You will see a red status text. Just click on it to proceed. Georeferencing is needed when your file does not contain location details. In this case, you will need to define the location of the image using 3 points on a reference map. This is the georeferencing screen. It is divided into two maps. The reference map, displaying the area where you will place your image, and the uploaded file. You can change the reference map to show a different map layer. For example, you can choose to use a satellite map, or a drone map already uploaded to your project. To start adding reference points to your map, just press the Add Point button. Each georeference point will have a specific location on the reference map, and a corresponding location on your image. Just keep adding points, and define their location, until you have 3 georeferenced points. This will then superimpose the image on top of the reference map. Alternatively, instead of manually geolocating points, you can select a location on your image, and then manually key in the corresponding coordinates. This is useful for projects where you are using ground control points. Notice that the superimposed image is visible with 50% transparency. You can change the transparency setting to help you better define the location for each point. Remember that you can also change the reference map layer. If you plan to georeference multiple images or PDF files of the same location, you can save your reference points for future use. To load previously saved points, just press the Load Points button. This can be helpful to import multi-level floor plans as map layers to your projects. Once 3 points have been georeferenced, press Process to start processing your image to a map layer. Notice that if you import JPEG or PDF files with no transparency layer, you can opt to turn white pixels to transparent pixels. This option is on by default. While the system processes your map layer, you are redirected to the project overview. The map layers are listed in a separate table. This will display the processing status. You can also preview map layers by pressing the preview icon. This will allow you to inspect the content and quality of your map layer, without having to add it to a map. To add a new map layer to a map, just click the Edit Map button in the top of a map view. You can add as many map layers as you like. This concludes our tutorial. You should now be able to add and manage map layers all by yourself.